Hello and welcome to Good Spanish. Get good at it. Short and easy tutorials for Spanish lovers. We continue with El Alfabeto, the Spanish alphabet, and with this video we complete the Spanish alphabet sounds and pronunciation series. Before that, please show all your love and support to the channel, subscribe and help it grow. In today's video, we cover the following double consonants: double C, double L, double N and double R. Please note that these are not independent letters of the Spanish alphabet. Why? Because these are sounds. Sounds produced by the combination of two letters. The English alphabet has 26 letters. The Spanish alphabet has 27 letters. It's exactly the same as the English alphabet with just one extra letter, which is that it's INIE, and it's included after letter N. So, coming to double consonant CC. It sounds as in the English word success. Success. Examples or ejemplos: lección, lección, acción, acción. Let's repeat. Lección, acción. Double consonant L. L, L. It sounds as in the year in yes. Year in yes. Examples or ejemplos: galletas, galletas. Quesadilla, quesadilla. Let's repeat. Galletas, quesadilla. Double consonant N. N, N. It sounds as in the English word banner. At times the first N is stressed a bit. Examples, ejemplos: innumerable, innumerable. The first N is slightly stressed. Innovación, innovación. Let's repeat. Innumerable, innovación. Double consonant R. R, R. It sounds as in the English word hurrah, hurrah. Examples or ejemplos: guerra, guerra. Arroz, arroz. Let's repeat. Guerra, arroz. Now, repaso or review. There are 4 double consonants in Spanish: double C, double L, double N and double R. These are not official letters. These are just a combination of letters. That's it in this video. Please like this video, share it with other Spanish lovers, leave your feedback and suggestions in the comment section below, show all your love and subscribe. Until then, adios.